got something for you. He's crazier than a three-ring zoo. You never know what he might do. It's Felix the cat, and he's here for you. Wow! With the toy and the professor, the master cylinder too. When madness is mixed with his bag of tricks, you know he's gonna pull us through. So point your face at the TV screen for the most wonderful cat that you've ever seen. He's always up to something new. It's Felix the cat, and he's here for you. It's Felix the cat, and he's here.
Gato Félix em A Máscara de Poindexter.
Como está se saindo com sua máscara, Poindexter?